So, we're back at it again. We're on another school bus.
Yay!
This time, it's a field day. Good morning. This is my field day vlog, you know. And ghetto censor the school name. Let's just say it says day of game. What? So I don't know. Oh, first off, hi. I got a haircut. I'll show you in the small mirror. Courtesy of Winston. So anyways, I don't know what we're exactly gonna do today. All I know is that I'm bringing the second phone to vlog just in case anything cool happens, and I think we're going on a school bus, therefore Zoe and me time. So I'll update you when we do stuff. So yeah.
Time to do exercise.
Hola. But I'll update you if they start putting music. Why does ya empezamos mal? Oye, ¿por qué? Estás pensativa. I know. It's like, oh, don't put anything that curses. Yeah, right, sis. No. Bye. This is for you, Amanda. Hasta que se acabe la noche y yo me quedo contigo hasta que se acabe la noche y yo me y cada vez que subo un piso quito la escalera. Todo lo demás luego me lo quito de la vera y como quiera si quieren queda pegado en la tetera. La calle tiene fuego, la calle tiene falla. Como quiera que la tire, la no la falla. Todo el mundo me quiere, yo tengo los chavos y las mujeres me lo lamen como la paleta del chavo. Hasta los demás me dan palo. Tú quieres que te mate a tiro, que te mate a palo. Llegalo el queque, llegalo el queque, llegalo el queque, ya, ya. Llegalo el queque, llegalo el queque, llegalo el queque, ya. Que la calle bota fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego. Caliente, 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 caliente. calle bota fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego. Que la calle bota fuego. Ustedes no tienen cuarto, ustedes están en olla. Mándame el location que te voy a mandar 5 de embudo en un Uber para que te peguen. Goodbye.
And now it's over. You're a mood.
Wow.
That's sad.
That's sad.
Yeah. So we got here.
This is a nice park. We're not gonna do shit though. I mean, I wanna go on the swings, but wait, said I'm not allowed.
No. So I'll update you if we do anything.
You ain't.
This is kind of like actually like boring.
Oh, this is so fun!
Oh my god,
Yada.
I'm scared. I can't ride this shit.
Hop on that horse, bitch. Hop on that horse.
Wait, I'm riding a furry.
Oh god. I'm afraid that this is gonna break.
Bro, I'm f***ing myself with this shit, and it does not feel good.
I realized that I haven't updated you in a while. Sorry that the shot's just, you know, my mouth. I don't want to record anybody who doesn't want to be recorded, but we're currently just, you know, doing the sporting things, and so, yeah. Bye. It looks blurry as fuck. Hola, Mia. Hi.
Oye, vamos a ir para todo. ¡Para la revolution!
Okay, so we finished over there, and you know we're about to leave. So yeah.
La guagua mira te deja.
¿Está cómoda?
Que avance y venga para acá porque si la guagua mira te deja.
Yes, sir. Boy.
Que no llegó la guagua, pero que si llega la deja.
I want to say before I end it.
It sucked.
Stay hydrated.
I'm gonna sit over here. So we got to the school, and now I'm in a part that you will never see again. And so I look like a mess, but we're at school, and no. So we finished, and now it's about to rain. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I don't know what I recorded, and I'm gonna ask Zoe to send me some clips. And so yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Adiós, Missy. Nos vemos el lunes. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, what did you think of my field day? Yeah, remember that I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.